One of the most commonly asked questions I get, especially from people whose families have veterans in them, is what can the VA do for me? What they really mean by that is, what does my service as a veteran get me for long term care or any other kinds of benefits? And it's actually a surprisingly difficult question to answer because nobody can really agree on what the definition of a veteran is. And there are so many different agencies that provide benefits for veterans that uh, it isn't really consistent. There are, of course, the federal Veterans Administration benefits, healthcare and home care and assisted living or nursing home care, depending on the state you're in. There's also state benefits for whatever Veterans Affairs department you have for your state. Many times there's a Veterans Services office in the county. There may be local services for a municipality as well. And then you'll have companies, individual businesses that will provide benefits to veterans. And so it becomes very confusing when you're trying to talk to somebody whose service record may qualify them for certain benefits, but disqualify them from others. So to generalize those benefits, you are generally looking at healthcare benefits, at least on the federal level. If you have somebody who is a veteran, depending on what their income is, they may be entitled to certain healthcare, health insurance benefits through a program called TRICARE. You may also have eligibility for nursing home or assisted living care, depending on what kind of service, if you have a service-connected disability, how long your service was, and even then there might be a wait list or some sort of payment requirement. The most commonly used benefit is a federal benefit called aid in attendance, which provides a non-service connected pension benefit to a veteran. So in other words, their injuries or their illnesses don't have to be tied to the time that they were serving in order for that benefit to apply, in order for the injuries to cause that benefit to be paid out. The downside is that there are some rather strict income and asset limits without which we're not able to get the benefit for people. State and local benefits definitely vary widely depending on where you are, ranging anywhere from discounts at a business to ID cards to preferential treatment at state agencies or hiring benefits. But for the most part, when people are talking to an elder law attorney about benefits, they're talking about home care or health care or assisted living, skilled nursing, or this aid and attendance cash benefit. So thanks for listening to our videos. Maybe you have decided that you'd really like to speak to a live human being though, in which case I'd encourage you to please call our office at 609-842-9200, and you can speak with our staff or one of our attorneys there. We'd be happy to help out.